Pigging system case of lithium battery industry. Hyperfor customizes pigging system solutions for lithium battery slurry manufacturing, helping manufacturers reduce waste and increase production output. During the production process of lithium battery slurry, lots of slurry adheres to the inner wall of the pipeline due to its viscosity. The slurry caking is likely to block the pipeline, which usually requires shutting down production and disassembling the pipelines for cleaning. Hyperfor pigging system can reduce the time for shutting down the production line for cleaning and recover the products, which can improve production efficiency and output. The launching station. The receiving station. Hyperfor pigging system has saved 1.6 tons of lithium battery slurry for a manufacturer in China every day. The product recovery rate is as high as 99%. Generally, the cost can be recovered within 6 months. Hyperfor is a professional pigging system equipment provider in China. At the same time, Hyperfor also provides services such as process design, commissioning and installation, after-sales service and remote technical service. Hyperfor is a trustworthy partner. Choose Hyperfor. Let every drop of your raw materials be turned into profit.